Hi there, my name is Riley and I will be your instructor for this program. I've been teaching fitness for over 8 years and yoga for over 12. I have a passion for helping my students reach their full potential so that they can get the most out of life. Benefits of this program include increased strength around all of the major joints, as well as improved flexibility, both of which combine to improve your overall range of motion. This is a 5-day program with each class lasting between 15 to 17 minutes. All exercises will be done standing, with the option to use a balance implement. The only other equipment that you will need are free weights and a resistance band. I designed this program for older adults or anyone looking to improve their range of motion in all the major joints by increasing strength and flexibility. If this sounds like you, I'll see you on day 1.